Yeah, they. I mean, everyone's happy for me and excited, and Nusrat still can't believe it. So she keeps looking at my belly, and she's like, "I can't believe it." Like I met her the other, she's like, "I can't believe it." I'm like, "Yeah, believe it. I'm not fat." A lot of times people ask me कि "Oh, आप pregnant हो but आप ये कर रहे हो." I'm like, मैं बीमार नहीं हूँ. मैं be honest that the first 3 months and the last 3 months are more emotional because you start crying and everything, and there is a bit of ups and downs. Whenever we plan to embrace motherhood, we would always like literally welcome the soul. We want. I didn't even have like 1 second का doubt कि काम नहीं करना कर सकेंगे या कुछ. Like I think I said no to a couple of projects, and I didn't even feel bad about it. But Pyar Ka Mashrama 1 did not translate it into any work. It didn't get us any work, especially the girls, I would say. So I didn't have any work for till I had Pyar Ka Panchnaama 2. I have nothing against casting someone on their social media following. If your role demands that, if you need someone who's a mediocre actor or a no actor or a brilliant actor, I don't know, but you need that following to sort of support your film, then yeah, sure, go ahead. I'm not giving it a thought now कि मुझे January में ही वापस जाना है या Feb में ही मैं shoot शुरू करूँगी. Whenever I feel like I'm ready, I will start working again.
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble. I am Akriti Bagla, and today, I am with a very gorgeous mommy to be, I can say, Sonali Sehgal. Hello, Sonali. Hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble.
Hi, Akriti. Thank you.
First of all, how's your health and how are you, enjoying your third trimester, if I ask?
I'm loving it. Health is great. I think this is really the best phase of my life. Touch wood.
Well, ever since you have decided that, okay, I want to now embrace motherhood, ever since the time you got pregnant, what are the changes now, okay, you are feeling emotionally, mentally? What has been the changes you are going through?
So many. I think every month is different. The emotions are obviously always on the positive side because it's such a blessing. But I'm going to be honest that the first 3 months and the last 3 months are more emotional because you start crying and everything, and there is a bit of ups and downs. So पहले ट्राइमेस्टर में तो था कि मैं हंसते हंसते रो पड़ती थी, रोते रोते हंस पड़ती थी. So all those things would happen, but it's I think every pregnancy is different, and fortunately I've been very lucky that it's been pretty smooth sailing, and my support system is great. And it's like the happiness outweighs the little difficulties that you might have, right? So वो सब थोड़ा बहुत अगर लगा भी रहता है, so it's like it's okay, there's a bigger blessing coming.
Sonali, if today you recall the day you found out, okay, now your family is growing, from 2 you guys are now going to become 3, a family of 3. What was that first reaction? Or even today I asked my mom that, okay, when you found out that you're going to become a mother, she was like, initially I was scared because it's altogether a different responsibility. It's like my rebirth. Were these thoughts from your end also?
Yes, absolutely. I mean, no, I wasn't scared. Simply because I think Ashish and I, we really gave it a good thought. And I had always believed since a couple of years now we've been speaking about marriage and then babies and everything, and we've always been on the same page that whenever we plan to embrace motherhood and parenthood, so to say, we would always like literally welcome the soul. We want. So then वहाँ पे scared की बात तो नहीं आती है. So it's more like when I found out, it was more like it really happened this fast. Like it's before our first anniversary I was pregnant. So so absolutely we count ourselves extremely lucky, very grateful, because it really, I know it may sound like a cliche or whatever, but it really is truly the biggest blessing.
And what, Sonali, you are a working mother, I would say. You have been an actress for, say, now over 10 years, 13 years has been to you in the industry. Were there any apprehensions, okay, if I may become a mother, I may have to, keep my work on hold for some time. This is one of the changes a working mommy goes through. Are you prepared for that, or how have you prepared yourself for it?
So, fortunately, the luxury in our profession is that we can take our maternity leave for as long as we want, and पहले भी ले सकते हैं, बाद में भी. So it's up to us. And no, I didn't even have like 1 second का doubt कि काम नहीं करना कर सकेंगे या कुछ. Like I think I said no to a couple of projects, and I didn't even feel bad about it because I was like, it's a no-brainer. Like 1 second and like, no, I'm not doing it. Also because I'm always someone who, whatever phase of life I'm in,
Yeah.
so I go crazy. Like I'm all about that. I'll give it my 100%.
Yeah.
Rather. So when it's work, it's work. Now it's
Yeah.
motherhood. It's completely like my life. You know, I'm always now, instead of ordering things for myself, I'm like looking what I need. You know, even whether it's online. We recently, Ashish and I went to Switzerland. This is the
Yeah.
first time I've probably not shopped much for myself, but you know, it was all for the baby and things like that. So, coming back to your question about work, no, I don't think like that. I know that today, fortunately, our industry is so embracing, is so
Yeah.
large, and so open-minded, right? And so refreshing, right? There's like so many wonderful adjectives now to describe it, that there are roles at any point of life that you decide to kind of pursue or come back, or however, wherever you want to, take it. So I feel like whenever I'm ready, I'm not giving it a thought now कि मुझे जनवरी में ही वापस जाना है या फेब में ही मैं शूट
Yeah.
शुरू करूँगी. Whenever I feel like I'm ready, I will start working again.
But you know, has your experience been this smooth in the industry?
Has it been?
Smooth in the industry?
What is smooth?
Like
Define
easy,
smooth.
or maybe, you know, what was
See,
some
I
of the-
feel like life is not smooth, right?
Yeah.
Can we say that every day of life, even for the luckiest person on the planet, is it?
Yeah.
It's not like that, right? But that's life, and it's beautiful with all the
Definitely.
flaws, and it stands for everything, right? Like,
Yeah.
so I feel it's the same with the industry. Of course, I've had my ups and downs, like anybody. Whether you can pick anybody in this industry and read their career, there'll always be ups and downs.
Definitely,
So so I would be lying if I say no, it's been all smooth. No, there've been, I mean, I've worked hard, and I feel like I've got fair opportunities. Would I have liked to get more opportunities? Yes, for sure. Why not? But am I like feeling bad about what I did? No, not really. And I feel like also the times are changing. So it's a chat that maybe I can have maybe when I'm like exiting my career or something. But right now I'm very happy with whatever I've done. And more than anything else, Akriti, for me it really matters that I'm proud of what I've done.
Yeah.
And I'm truly proud of what I've built on my own, without any godfather, without any
Definitely.
help. I was just a simple girl. I still am a simple girl, but I was a girl from Calcutta, and I had no idea. Forget about the industry. I had no idea about how Bombay worked. For me, yeah, it was just a different dreamland. So I'm extremely proud of myself.
When did you came to Bombay?
I came for Miss India.
Yeah.
Yes, which was in 2007.
Oh.
So yeah, and since then I started living here.
But was acting always your calling?
No, but apparently a lot of my classmates in school thought so. I have this ruler as well. You used to have those wooden scales. होते थे. So उसपे you could write with pen also, and people would
the
scribble.
brown one.
Yeah, I think I still have that ruler somewhere. So I used to write like 4 years class 6, then 4 years class 10, 4 years class 12, something I'd written. And then my friends had added, and 4 years Bollywood, I'm coming. I'm like, where is this coming from? I don't even know. So I always knew that I wanted to move to Bombay, Mumbai now, and I knew that I didn't want to be a model. Acting, maybe I thought it wasn't like, oh, I want to be an actor. I was like, yeah, okay, we'll go figure. I really wanted to be a fashion designer at one point, I remember. And then I got through NIFT as well, and then I also got through Miss India the same year, so I had to kind of choose. And then when I came to Bombay, and then I started modeling because it came easy to me, and I had to pay the rent. So it was the easiest way, and I was like, okay, great. And then I started auditioning for films. And that also I did after I did a television ad. So when I did the ad is when I realized that, okay, I want to act in front of the camera, camera is different, walking on the ramp is different. So I guess it was a very gradual process.
Yeah.
And I think it was mainly in Pyar Ka Panchnama 2, not even 1.
Yeah.
In 2 is when I truly fell in love with acting.
And why do you say that? Because Pyar Ka Panchnama 1 I'm talking about, the 2011 one, it released in theaters. The one who went praised the film.
Yeah.
I won't lie. Maybe it didn't translate into box office number that it will today if it is re-released, I would say.
Yeah.
But the recognition, I would say, the film got, did you expect it? Okay, now my life will change.
In one?
Yeah, during
Yeah,
the
yeah,
one
yeah,
release,
absolutely.
yeah.
In fact, I was very naive. I thought, like, one, I'll do a film. For that time, it was not even a hit or anything. Just that I
Yeah.
signed a film, I was very happy. I was like, okay, I'm going to do a film, and that's it. My career's taking off. And I love that. I love
Yeah.
having, I would still have that sort of belief. Why not? And then it did super well, and then we were obviously excited bunch of kids, all of us, because it was सबकी पहली
सबकी
film, the
पहली
actors,
film, yeah.
producers, directors, सबसे लेके extremely excited. But no, Pyar Ka Panchnaama 1 did not translate it into any work. It didn't get us any work, especially the girls, I would say. So I didn't have any work for till I had Pyar Ka Panchnaama 2. And that's when I sat and really, I feel, matured up, and I was like, okay, so now it doesn't work like this. What do I need to
Yeah.
do? And then I really gave it my all in Pyar Ka Panchnaama 2, and then that's when things started rolling.
Yeah, but you know, after during your marriage, after the Pyar Ka Panchnama gang,
That was
were
the
clicked,
reunion.
Yeah, that was a reunion. How was
Yeah.
that moment? Like you know, even after so many years, you know, we are in the industry where we see कि okay, सब pretentious है, friendships भी fake है, but
Yeah.
you guys are still together in
Yeah.
touch. How do you feel about it?
I feel amazing. And you know, sometimes friendships don't have to be like, oh, we have to meet for coffees every
Definitely,
day,
yeah.
backslapping. Everybody, you know, it's been so many years. You grow up, like, you know, you get busy with your work. Life takes you different places, but you know
Definitely.
that there is a certain bond that's been there. And that's there with most of us. And sometimes you may not even speak for days or months, but just that, you know, you're on social media, and social media is a great tool also
Tool,
right now
yeah.
to see what's happening. To, like, you know, on Instagram you can chat sometimes,
Yeah.
and things like that. So it feels amazing, and I feel that, you know, we may my wedding made me realize one thing, that we may miss each other's screenings,
Yeah.
but we'll never miss a wedding.
Special days.
Because yeah,
rather.
absolutely special days, because I realized this wedding thing even at Love Sir's wedding, because he
Yeah,
got married before
you.
me.
Yeah.
Everybody was there, right? All of us.
Yeah.
And it was a no-brainer. Again, the second time it was
Your wedding.
my
that
wedding.
Happened, yeah.
So that's the beauty. That's where, you know, it's kind of, it's solid,
Yeah.
however you want to define it. So that's pretty special.
But did Love Sir and Karthik or Nusrat maybe messaged you after they found out about your pregnancy? You posted.
Of course, I mean, it's not, they didn't find out through social media,
Okay.
of course. They knew before. Some of them, I will not say who knew before and who found
Yeah.
out through social media. But Sir, I had, of course, spoken, I mean, was one of the first ones I shared with, because now they have a baby, right? And
Yeah.
so then I'm taking a lot of tips from his
Tips
wife.
from-
Yeah, I mean, everyone's happy for me and excited, and Nusrat still can't believe it. So she keeps looking at my belly and she's like, I can't believe it. Like, I met her the other, she's like, I can't believe it. I'm like, yeah, believe it. I'm not fat.
Sonali, between Pyar Ka Panchnama and 1 and 2, you said you were out of work for quite some time,
Yeah.
right? Did that mentally affect you, or maybe on finances? Because living in a city like Mumbai, no doubt you have done one film, but for that gap to manage finances, was it difficult back then?
You know, fortunately for me, no, because I was modeling. I was a
Yeah,
very successful model
simultaneously.
before signing the film, and even during 1 and 2, it wasn't like, okay, I'm doing a film, bye bye, modeling world. I'm not. So I was still working, and I was doing a lot of ads. And honestly, even if I would have had some tough days or months, I don't even remember. Also, I'm very good at like savings and managing my money. So fortunately, you know, I've not had that issue. So even with maybe lesser income, I've been able to sustain it and build it into something more. So financially, no, but mentally also, now that I think about it, I did go through a lot. That time you don't want to acknowledge it,
Yeah.
because you feel like, okay, you're doing great,
Usual
and you
path.
try to distract by doing like things that you probably, you know, are not, you feel like, oh, you shouldn't have wasted your time there, or why do you, I mean, I know I'm a big crier, so I would have cried a lot and things like that. So, but I feel like those experiences definitely helped me grow. Again, I know it sounds like everybody says that, but trust me, I really feel these experiences really,
Yeah.
like, they've made me the solid person that I am today.
Sonali, do you feel entering the industry back then was more difficult because now we have social media like a great tool. I think it is a
Yeah.
space where people can audition.
Yeah.
The more the following, the more you are in the public,
Yeah,
and the more
absolutely.
easily you get approached.
Absolutely.
Do you think that social media? I mean, what do you think on actors being casted on the basis of social media following rather than their craft or their audition clips?
See, it really depends on which role. I have nothing against casting someone on their social media following if your role demands that. If you need someone
Yeah.
who's a mediocre actor or a no actor or a brilliant actor, I don't know, but you need that following to sort of support your film, then yeah, sure, go ahead. But if you, I mean, I don't think anyone in our industry is that silly to cast for a very, I don't think anyone in our industry is that silly to cast for an extremely brilliant performance oriented role only based on social media. That
Yeah.
doesn't happen, right? No maker will jeopardize. So I think it has to be a balance and one has to sort of move
Yeah.
with the world. So it's great. I think it's a combination really, because I see a lot of times there's such amazing talent who have no following, and they are
Yeah.
just picked by like these casting directors and they cast in wonderful parts. So wo bhi hota hai. And then completely opposite with so much following,
Followers, yeah.
and they're not actors and they are being cast instead of actors. Okay, so maybe that works. So I honestly don't sit and judge how the industry works because it's really not my job to do so.
But are you like, are you someone who is like actively present on social? Because I have seen you,
Yeah.
you occasionally post, right?
Huh.
Are you someone who believes in staying really active, or you are like, okay, there should be a fine balance between?
So I'm an extremely flaky person when it comes to social media. I blow hot, blow cold, but I when I have a team, so I sometimes get a team to do it, and then sometimes I do it on my own. So I have these phases, right? Mostly around when I have a lot of work, then I get
Yeah.
a team, then it's just easier. Then I don't have to use my head in like what content to make, what to shoot, and what to post. But when otherwise, I get quite lazy with social media. I feel like if I wasn't an actor and if my career or income didn't kind of get influenced by it, I would probably not be on it. For sure, I sometimes find it like a lot, and when I find it a lot, then I take a break. Like I think in the past 2 years, 3 years, I've unfollowed a lot of handles. So I only follow either extremely close friends,
Yeah.
not even all colleagues, like very good friends,
Yeah.
or handles that inspire me.
Yeah.
And when it comes to posting, like when I found out when I was pregnant, so if you notice that in March, April, May, I have barely posted anything.
That's
It
what
was
I said.
like,
Occasionally you post.
yeah, okay, like from posting like 2-3 times a week, suddenly मैं महीने में एक बार post
Yeah.
कर रही थी, and I was like, I just can't. So I was following my heart, like नहीं मन है तो नहीं मन है, अभी नहीं करना है. अभी now suddenly I am in this whole thing because
Yoga also you
yeah,
are
and
posting.
second trimester my energy was also, I was like, yeah, okay, now let's post. And then I had a lot of, and I feel like right now I'm in this phase of sharing what I'm going through,
Yeah.
especially my fitness videos and my health
Yoga
videos and
related.
yoga and stuff like that, because I genuinely want to share with the world, and I genuinely want to tell people that it's like I feel a lot of times people ask me कि oh आप pregnant हो but आप ये कर रहे हो. I'm like मैं बीमार नहीं हूँ, मैं pregnant हूँ.
exactly.
So I want to tell world that normalize being active during
pregnancy.
pregnancy,
Yeah.
and I want to share that, or at least whatever my experience is. So now I'm active again.
Well, what are your, how are you now going to take care of your fitness? Because obviously you are in your third trimester. We have seen some of your videos, but
Yeah.
what are your plans on fitness or say pregnancy fashion ahead? How do you plan to take it?
Fitness with
Fitness
ahead?
and fashion both around your
Oh,
fitness.
so I don't look at it like that. See, fitness is something that I enjoy.
Yeah.
Having
I'm
said
into
that,
that.
do I put that pressure on me? No. People only think that I work out in the morning and work out like a maniac. No, it's not the case. When, in fact, in the first trimester, it was very difficult for me to work out. I was just eating, waking up, eating, sleeping, again waking up, eating, sleeping. So I love to listen to my body. So when the first trimester did not allow me to work out, I did not work out. At the max, I went for walks or did some yoga.
Yeah.
But I was not like pushing myself hard because I don't do that. And then when I have the energy, so I will do that. So I worked out. So similarly, going forward as well, and even after I have my baby, it'll be whatever my body tells me, what my body will tell me, and our bodies always tell us, you know, they'll always tell us a signal. And fashion, yeah, fashion is comfort. Yeah,
Yeah, definitely.
yeah.
You know, recently even Jo Tera Hai Wo Mera Hai released. What is like the response coming your way? Because the film is really fun. With Paresh Rawal. I
Yeah.
mean, how was your whole experience?
And even
Working with
Amit
him.
Sial
Yeah, Amit
is so
Sial, yeah.
good. It was super fun to shoot this film. I think the character Preeti is such a light-hearted character. The film is so light-hearted, and I love watching such films. So I
Yeah.
enjoy doing such a film. Response has been very good. It's not even been a week. I think it's
Been a week,
released.
yeah.
And people are watching it,
Zero,
and
yeah.
I'm getting great feedback for my performance and also for the film.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm extremely again excited that Jo Tera Hai Wo Mera Hai has come, and also at a time that I'm literally chilling at home and watching my own film. Yeah.
But you know, Sonali, when you initially entered or when you were navigating your way through the industry, did you ever bear the brunt of nepotism? Like maybe you were replaced by a star kid, or you were just dropped out because you were not a star kid.
I must have, but I don't know about it.
Maybe,
You know,
yeah.
it must have happened because I was dropped out of many films.
Hate
So-
Story 3 also, I think.
No, but that I was not dropped. That I didn't do
Okay,
do
you
on
didn't,
my
yeah.
not 3. I think 1 or 3. No, 3.
Three,
One
yeah.
though was 3. That I didn't do it out of choice. No, I wasn't dropped out of that. But of course, there are many films that you know, didn't work out. But honestly, I just find this debate a bit. I mean, it's just a debate.
Yeah. But have you become now thick-skinned to rejection? Or you like take it on you?
No, it's not a thick skin. It's acceptance, in fact. Like, it's, you can't ignore it. Sometimes, I mean, rejection happens, right? It's like in life. I know in our industry, it's more because you are getting rejected for not for lack of your ability or capability. You could be
Yeah.
a very good actor, and you may still not land the part. So that's where it kind of plays a role, that you have to accept that it's not, don't take it personally. So I would better put it that I've learned not to take rejection personally. It's there.
What is some advice you would now give to newcomers or the one who are really looking forward to come in this industry from your experience so far?
I don't know if I honestly can give them any advice, because I think they're far better equipped than, you know, I was or we were a few years ago. And I think not only to a newcomer, but just, yeah, if I had to, just don't take too much pressure. I think we all, and that's a note I would like to say to myself also, and of course people who are starting out, because in the beginning you're like, oh, like I want to do this, do
Yeah,
that, and then if this doesn't happen, then this is not, you know, there's so much pressure we take, and then there's burnout. So don't take so much pressure. Enjoy your ambitions.
Yeah.
Of course, you enjoy your work is great, but even while you don't have the work, when you're waiting on your dreams, just enjoy those dreams as well.
And you know, while we know in future you have a film with Nawazuddin Siddiqui, which we are excited about, what about Panchnama 3? I mean, that is a question every fan of the franchise is asking.
I have to tell everybody to ban from asking this question now, because I genuinely don't have an answer. And I don't think any one of us in the team has an answer for sure.
You should contact Love Sir.
Absolutely. I think you should contact Love Sir, and henceforth all these questions will be like, sir, please answer it. So I don't know, because when we meet, there's no conversation about that. So I genuinely have no answer, and I think it's great that way, right? Because just then aayegi, then
It's a surprise for everyone, I think.
फिर ये सारे clips join होंगे कि
Thank you.
किसने क्या बोला था. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Sonali.
Thank you.
Really looking forward to interact with you again, and all the best for this new journey.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you so
you.
much. Hi, I'm Sonali A. Sajnani, and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble.